Welcome to Basic Foods. Watch us eat. Let me press play. Wait the fuck.
You got it. So we can see it more better. We're eating some shrimp.
We made this shrimp.
And I have a cucumber on the side.
Yeah, that's weird.
You're hurting children. Are you kidding me? We're not here to...
Oh, this time we're not watching The Walking Dead. We're watching Shark Tank. Alright, I think it's pretty good. Stick that in. There's like these sausages.
Oh yeah. That's what has cucumber. So it balance out the saltiness.
If they don't work, please don't buy them.
I stopped buying them, and I decided to solve the problem myself. Introducing
Ta-da!
Biddy Pen.
The best thing about the Biddy
Let's
Pen
see how it
is
tastes.
the design. It
Does it taste
simply
good? I made
fits
it.
over the child's arm and slips over their head and comfortably covers their entire body.
What's great about this American-made, non-toxic fabric is that it never stains, never smells,
Wow.
and never pulls an odor.
What?
I stabbed myself with the tail.
It's too good to be true. I know. Gonna give them a closer look?
You're supposed to look, Sharks?
I was hoping you see the
You
journey.
know, there's some people who eat the shell too.
Yeah, you just want to. They also put it in tamales,
It's like fitness material.
like the whole thing.
The poly nylon blend is patented. It's non-toxic, certified. It's comfortable. The kids love to wear it.
Oh.
What do you sell it for? We are selling it right now direct to consumer on our website for $24.99.
What's it cost you to make it? Currently our price is $15 per bib.
Oh.
That's expensive.
That's great. Brutal. Holy cow.
But it is also selling in catalogs online for $48.
Why is it
Wait, how many pounds
$15
is
to
this?
make it?
Because this
Probably
is
like
a
two.
Mac Daddy material.
You can't make money selling bibs to America at a really high price. It's cheaper to just buy a bunch of bibs and throw them out after they get dirty. Absolutely
Is it
not,
too loud?
Mr. Wonderful. This is one bib that will last you 4 years,
A
even
little bit,
longer.
yeah.
Wow.
Once you look at what mothers are buying on bibs.
What they're spending a year, $400.
No way.
I will tell
No way,
Okay,
Susie.
you don't notice it, but you will throw away more bibs than you can ever
How many
imagine.
have you sold? We sold about 2,000. Over the 4 years? Yes.
Yeah,
Over
it's
4
sauce.
years.
Hmm.
It's
What did you
good.
sell in the last 12 months? In the last 12 months, we are at about $17,000 in sales. That's it? The majority of bibs are not bought online, guys. Let's face it, okay? Millions of bibs go out every year. There's 2 or 3 large box retailers that sell basic apparel like this. Why are you not?
What time is it? Like 10?
What time is it? Like 10:20?
We're eating shrimp at 10:20 people. PM.
Late night snack.
Mm-hmm.
Good snack. Some good cholesterol.
I know.
It's too expensive. No,
We have found that they sold at $48 without a question. People are
$48 insane.
Of course,
I get all
out
that.
of it, and I feel retail is obnoxious.
Susie, it's a hobby. It's not a business.
Well,
The numbers, they're talking, they're listening.
It's actually not that spicy.
I have a cut.
Selling them because they're too expensive.
Sucks.
agree. We have sold
Yeah.
them for all the prices. The price is, it really wasn't an issue. The education of the product is, I have no business experience. I need you guys to build me up.
I actually think it's a great
Just holding a $20-something bib or something like that.
Yeah, but they didn't make that many sales. I like their idea though.
Because they wiped off the mustard right off, right?
Mm-hmm. And I know a lot of people go through bibs like really fast.
Mm.
But you can always wash it though.
It's expensive. I got it for $20-something.
True.
Yeah, it's pretty expensive. And it cost me like $15 to make. The volume on TV is weird. Sometimes it's too loud and then it's too soft.
Mm-hmm. These are surprisingly big.
They're that size. Are these the medium ones?
I think so.
These large.
Good, you good?
Yeah, shrimp is messy to eat though, but good. No commercial, no commercial, no commercial, no commercial. What, you wanna watch a commercial?
No. See, let me try to show them how this looks like. This is how it looks like. I don't know if that's focusing. I hope so.
Oh.
Okay.
Ooh. Shit.
I'm so glad I don't have a cut.
It just stabbed my skin. You can see the line right here. Like a little line that went in.
This would be so good with rice.
Sorry, I didn't hear you.
It would be so good with rice.
No.
The sausage, cucumber, and rice. There's a YouTuber. Her name's Kim Tai. I watch her. And that's what she does.
Like white rice?
White rice.
I don't like white rice.
Never
I
mind.
think I ate 3 already. I think the rest of the sausages are good.
You got 4 though.
I got 4?
No, you're supposed to get 4.
Oh. I thought there was 6 total.
8.
I don't know how many I got. I think I got 4. Hard to peel. Did you ever cook it?
You cooked it. We should have soaked it in like cold water or something after it came out.
Oh, true.
Put in raspberry time in that.
I like the process. I don't think you need to keep going. I don't have a problem with the price. I think there's a large enough market. What I do have a problem with is you're not the right person to run it.
Not the right what?
Not the right person to run it. Oh, poor mouse.
It takes it out through all the different boxes. Costs $25,000-$30,000 for that person to do it. It's not about connection. I'm not the right solution. It's out there for you. I wish you the best, but I'm out.
Oh, he's out. No cubing. It's good flavor, and I wish it was easier to peel though.
That's a great idea.
My instincts have always served me well.
Oh, you can't get it out. Oh,
They've lied to you. They're giving you encouragement where there's none. And I'm disgusted.
Mr. Wonderful?
this one's missing a tail.
Oh yeah, I kind of pulled that one out because it was frozen.
The challenge I'm having here is that
Damn it.
most businesses, the problem is education.
Spice is getting up there.
Educate people about this.
Huh?
The spice.
What?
I'm out.
Spicy food?
A little bit.
I hear a lot of confusing strategies on how to sell it. What I've learned is you gotta follow the money. I don't think you have a clear plan on how to make this successful. I'm out. very much.
They didn't get anything?
Hey.
No offers?
Nope.
I don't think I'm ever gonna get that. Moms need better products, and I'm gonna give it to them.
Moms need better products. It's a good idea. It's kind of pricey though.
Mm-hmm.
My name is Moshe White. I live in St. Paul, Minnesota with my wife and 3 kids. Besides being a full-time father and husband, I'm also a rabbi. Today we are going to be talking about kosher. Being a rabbi
What?
takes some faith
Nothing.
and a lot
Does
of
it come up?
and I
No, it
try to
is.
bring that
It's
to
coming
my-
up?
Yeah. No, it's recording.
It's cutting
We
me
live
up.
in a world of
Oh, wait.
technology where everyone is connected. My product helps people use that technology better. They might
No.
not even know that they need it.
No,
but
it's
when they
just-
use it,
You
it's
can't see
gonna
your
be
other arm.
Oh, okay.
That's fine, right?
Yeah, that's fine.
You want me to move it?
No, no. That's fine.
Back again.
Welcome back.
Hello,
Did
Shai.
you
I'm eating
miss
a
me?
cucumber.
My name is Rabbi Moshe White. My product is the
They're
sound.
good.
I'm here to offer you guys 26% of my company for only $54,000. Wow. The deal. You might be asking yourself, what's a rabbi doing on Shark Tank?
I gave you a shirt. I didn't even finish this
As a
food.
rabbi,
Right.
I'm always looking to help people
Ow.
and find solutions for them. I'm always trying to make their oy vey go away.
There what?
Right?
Mm.
So I felt it was my
Is it too loud
obligation
again?
to come here today and
Okay.
ask you for help in solving a very real
Poor
dilemma.
mouse. I have to wipe it after.
It's okay.
That, dare I say, is so rampant, it could be affecting over
Are you
70
gonna get the
million
sausage?
people
That's it.
worldwide. Oy vey.
Already eaten
Oy
it.
vey, big time. What's the big problem, right? Well, I'll tell you. I love my iPad. I love it so much, I watch videos on it, I play music on it. I love it. But since the speaker is pointing away from me, if I was watching it here, right? And you can't grab that sound and bring it towards your ears where you need to hear it. So I invented my product.
Oops.
Today, Shark, I am very proud to present the solution to this very great dilemma. The sound.
What is that?
Magnetic, power-free
It's supposed to redirect the sound.
Interesting.
It clips right onto the back magnetically, beautifully, reflecting the sound right towards you. Boom, just like that. In a snap. Oh wow. Awesome magic. Magic. Makes a real difference. It's awesome. This little baby, not only does it offer sound, it also offers smart. Somebody's got me too, right?
There's still a lot to go.
It's a little bit.
Alright.
I feel like it's too low now.
Mm-hmm.
I hate the volume. For now.
A higher power is involved. Moshe, are you selling it today? Do you have sales? I do have sales. I've sold 7,000 units today. Only been selling it for about 6 months. Where are you selling it? I'm selling them online and actually to a wholesale online.
Do you have those for us to look at?
Yes, I do. I have several of them. What color would you like that?
Oh, colors, white.
Oh, white. Let's do red one. Okay. Stop and go. And I have more. Thank you. Moshe, I gotta know, how did you come up with the idea? Oh man, I'm a teacher, a rabbi, at a Jewish high school for boys out in Minnesota, and we have to close it down. You know, the session goes literally just right up. And so they gave me an iPad as a gift to lift my spirit. So I started using it at night, and I kept putting my hand behind it. And then it was like,
The technique's not working.
it was like a light at the end of the tunnel. And within a week, I had prototypes. I've been working with the same manufacturer in Minnesota, made in the USA, and the margins are still.
I feel like drinking the juice.
I'm here today
By itself?
for your help. So I'm willing to work hard. What do you want the 54,000?
I just ate the skin.
No.
Going to modify the mold one more time. Why we're great right there.
Ooh, this one's firm.
Kind of direct one to cream and not sell. No, absolutely not. I want to sell and make it better.
It's coming right off.
Sometimes people have that disease. They never stop trying to make it better. I'll tell you what. I have very, very high interest from a very large retail chain. Who is it? Walgreens. Walgreens.
Walgreens.
Rabbi, would you be
Walgreens like the CVS,
your
right?
idea to somebody to get overnight distribution and millions of
Whatever.
outlets?
Not to
Millions
worry.
of units, drive your production costs
Not a lot of people go there.
I
I
love
don't
the
think
accessory
so.
market.
I don't even know if I've gone to Walgreens. I don't think so.
Comment down below if you go to Walgreens or
It's not made
CVS.
in kitchen tables. Hundreds of
I
thousands
go to
of
CVS.
in Asia. To
There's
me,
a Walgreens.
the opportunity here is to try and convince somebody to
There's one down here, huh?
Mouse
instead of
bar.
royalties and run with it. That to me is the way I would do it, but I don't think I sense that.
Oh, there's one
Okay,
here.
very
Out
straightforward. I am
by
not going to license it out for
across Taco Bell, I think.
paying them out. Okay, Rabbi, I'm up. I respect that.
Here's another ring.
There's 4 other sharks. Let's negotiate, people. Get this done. Rabbi, I think you've got a nice little business. You've got the chutzpah, but I've got to make the determination of my time, right, which is very valuable. If I saw a way to get this to a $20 million in sales business, then it's worth it. Yeah, I just don't see it getting that big. I really don't.
Oh.
So for that reason,
Came out.
Nice.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
How would I get my money back if I gave you the money for this permit?
I will write you a check.
When?
It couldn't be simpler than that, Barbara.
I'm suggesting a guarantee that I get my money back as you sell.
So you want royalty?
Well, sort of a royalty, yeah.
I think that might be counterproductive to what I'm trying
So
to
that's
do.
off the table.
Because it's siphoning off cash while we're growing the business, don't you think?
No, I don't think that's a problem.
Well done, Rabbi.
Okay, I'm out.
I
Did
can't
you just-
negotiate lower money. So what do you think we need to negotiate here?
Did you just drink the
Obviously,
juice?
You would like
Yeah, it's pretty good.
possibly
You should do
negotiate
it.
a percentage of the company?
But like, the spoon has holes.
Like just in the
How
tip.
much of the company would you be willing to be okay with for the 54,000? Thinking of that, I would be happy with 40%.
Oh, that's good. Mine keeps falling though. Oh, how do you do it?
The only thing that is
Go, 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 go.
out there
Costa que ya.
want to invest in this company is the Walgreens sale. Here's my offer to clarify.
The shrimp don't like you even if they're
40%,
dead or
and happy
alive.
that
Oh, you need to
Walgreens sale
go.
is a real deal. Okay, that's my offer.
Ooh, it's getting spicy.
Robert, would you like to?
Oh, this one came out
You're one of the best
too.
entrepreneurs we've had
I
here.
don't know.
I mean, you gave us the best answer
I squeezed the
anybody's
tail.
ever given when we asked for this royalty stuff.
I
Doesn't mean it's the
squeezed
right
it.
answer. It's the
Yeah.
right answer.
No,
We're
you-
not
can
here
you do
to
that?
suck the blood out of
At what
companies.
point do you ever get your money back?
I don't know how to describe it.
Mochi, I gave you an offer. If we're going to listen to them too much longer, because you understand, if he steps out, right, my offer starts to change because I become more valuable. Are you going to make an offer, Robert? I need to.
I would like it. Shrimp is messy. Fuck, I love it.
3 sharks are out. Rabbi Moshe has an offer on the table from Damon.
I think Damon's gonna remove his offer.
Considering the investment.
I don't know. That's like
I
playing
gave you
Russian
an offer.
roulette.
If we're going to listen to them too much
Because
longer,
kind of ignoring
you
them.
understand, if he steps out, right,
He's,
my offer starts
His
to change
item
because
is
I become
good.
more valuable.
he's ignoring Damon.
I need to.
Here's the thing. I love the reason you started this business. I think you're highly motivated. I think you did a fantastic presentation.
Let's do it.
Here's the back. Beyond the presentation, you didn't really tell us how we're going to sell it. You didn't talk about the distribution channel. My biggest fear is, as Mark said, is my time. I don't want to tell you how to do this business. I want to support you.
I know what has to be done. I'm not sitting on my hands going like this, but I don't know what to do, whether I'm not going to do it. You know, I can sit at home and I can relax and I can make a nice living and sell my sound vendors 1,000 at a time on the internet. Yeah, whatever. I know how to do this business. I need your connections. That's what I need.
Sugar?
I'd like to make an offer.
Okay, I'm back.
I'd like to hear your answer on David's offer.
I'm going to give you 10 seconds to think about it. After that, I'm
It
dropping
might
out.
have a max though.
Ooh.
I'll
Yeah,
give
like
you
26 minutes.
54,000.
It's at 20 right now.
Same
So
amount.
should I
20,
stop?
that's 26,
I'm
25.
going to take care of your word that the
Should I
Walgreens
stop?
order's there.
And then do it again?
Same offer as David.
Yeah?
Let's summarize. Both offers are for the same amount of equity, 40%.
So you
same
want to do
amount of dollars, 54,000. One has a contingent. Damon, we got a deal.
Congratulations.
All right, we got a deal. Remember, you go, honey. You're gonna really. I just wanted to see if really you're other than that, it's gonna close. I died. We'll get it done.
Now you go drink from the boom.
No, there's none. I wasn't
Because I don't see this.
That's why.
I chose Damon because he is a marketing genius. He's built his company from one product to millions of products sold, and I really have a lot of respect for him, and I think he got that.
Good choice. So who's like the best out of them?
Is
Mr.
the
Weber?
richest?
Not the best.
What do you mean by best?
For their food truck company, Cousins Maine Lobster.
Successful wise.
Let's see what they're up to now.
So like richest.
Yeah. Like, who has the most connections and who knows how to actually do
So much has
business?
happened.
Yeah, I don't know
We
how
had a deal
to-
with Barbara just a couple of months ago. We have just opened a 7,000 square foot
Who's
distribution
the
facility
richest?
so we can ship fresh
Mark
made
Cuban.
products to everyone in the United States overnight. We just hit
Mark Cuban, I think.
2,000 orders for the day! Sales have been awesome since Shark Tank. A few months before we went on, we did $150,000 in business. Ever since,
seafood
done
looks
$700,000 in sales.
They sell lobster?
Barbara is truly the best thing that has happened to this company. She is so hands-on and genuine with us, and she's provided
Imagine
us
lobster
opportunities
instead of
that
shrimp.
other businesses would dream
It's gonna be
of.
expensive.
I know.
We've been so good to our local economy here in Maine. We've actually been
We don't have
invited
the
to
money.
the governor's home to receive an award from the First Lady.
This is a certificate of achievement presented to Cousins Maine Lobster in recognition of outstanding.
We were able to get this shrimp on a sale. If it wasn't on sale, I'm pretty sure we would not be eating this right now.
This is the first time I've ever
We'd
been
probably be
given
eating
an award
McDonald's
for
or something.
creating jobs in the local economy. It's honestly the greatest thing that's happened.
I'll probably do chicken nuggets in there.
Yeah.
Great jobs for the
Chicken nuggets, fries, and McChicken.
Yeah, I think there's like a chicken nugget challenge.
We've got Barbara on
There's
the
a 50
team,
nuggets?
and
I
this
think
is
so,
proof
yeah.
that we are doing something right. And that's
Easy.
really a good feeling.
I feel like the volume changes on its own.
Yeah.
Next up is Mike Robinson, who believes his product helps children feel close to their loved ones.
Hi, Sharks. I'm Mike Robinson, CEO of Cuddle Tunes. We're seeking $400,000 for a
I feel
20%
like
stake
I'm
in the
eating
company.
more than you.
Cuddle Tunes is a product and service born
Look at
out
my
of personal
vial.
need. See, for the past 20 years, I've been
Right.
a business traveler constantly on the road
I'm
all over
telling
the
you, I
world.
ate
But at
4
the same time,
already.
I'm very
Everyone else?
devoted to my 7 beautiful
Sure.
children at home.
Yeah,
When you're
yeah.
away a
Oh,
lot, it
do
really
that.
takes a toll on your relationships with small children or grandchildren.
Thank
You
you.
feel the distance, and they feel it too.
Because I still have
Well, we
some
can help.
cucumber.
Sharks, you know all about the World Wide Web. Let me introduce you to the World Wide Hug. This bear is going to help millions of families stay closer and change bedtime forever.
Ooh.
Inside Cuddle Tunes is a web-connected audio link, so you can send your recorded voice to your child or grandchild's bear from anywhere, anytime. This is my daughter Mia's bear.
Hi, yes, sweetheart. Tonight, I'm going to tell you a new story. Once upon a time, there were 3 cats.
In addition to your recorded voice,
Cuddle Tunes plays MP3 music, which can be personalized with your child's name. As you can hear, the sound quality is terrific, and it's incredibly simple to operate.
Then leave me some extra
Through our
shrimp.
easy-to-use
I will.
website, from anywhere in the world, parents and grandparents can record anything they want. Prayers, stories, songs, loving messages, and they can upload MP3 music and audiobooks. And your child can enjoy all of that on their bear whenever they need it. Sharks with over 1 million in development behind us, the product and service are ready to go. And I need your help to scale this up into a global family brand. Can I help you there?
Did you say you spent $1 million in development?
Allowing for the 3 years effort? Yes.
What do you mean allowing for this?
It's a lot of money.
Paying yourself for the effort?
What's that? Yeah,
What does that mean?
valuing my time at a big discount actually
How
compared to
much
what
money
it,
have you actually put into this?
in terms of cash,
Yeah.
about half of them.
Ooh.
Mike, how do I hook up the Bear to the internet? It's got, in the back is the MP3 player, and it has a USB connection. So you plug it into your computer, and just like you sync an iPod to iTunes, you sync a Cuddle Tunes Bear to Cuddle Tunes. It's a very simple process. You don't even have to install any software.
What do you value your time at?
I was making $300,000 a year as a public company CEO.
What company were you CEO of?
It was called Cytel Technologies. It was a voice over IP company in the UK, and I took it public on the London Exchange in 2006.
Damn.
And what happened to that company? Did you leave or did?
About 1.5 years after the IPO, the board and I had different visions, so they fired you.
What?
No, they offered me a deal, and I had already been talking to some friends about this idea.
My only pet peeve, I'll tell you, is
I'm so
I hate
kind.
when people value their time when they're
It's
starting.
just
That's
for
your
you.
cost. That's an
Good for
opportunity
sure.
cost.
Thank
Not my
you.
cost.
Yeah, and I'm not asking you to pay me for that. I just put that's value in the business.
You put a $2 million
Frankly,
valuation on
no.
this business right now.
Yes.
Are you saying you've got sales to support that?
I
or
think it's
just
easier
You
for
don't
me
mind.
because I have
I'd like to come
nails.
back to that.
Well, generally that means you have no
Always a
sales.
bad
First,
answer.
I'd like to
Okay.
understand
When
what
somebody
somebody
doesn't answer the sales question, usually all of
I
us
said
get really
it's
uncomfortable.
easier for me because I
Well,
have
let me ask you this.
nails.
So, we launched this thing, did no marketing, and then 32,000 people have been to the site. How many units do you think we would have sold?
I would have think 5% of them would have bought it.
Yeah, it's 9.5%. Over 3,000 units sold. Brought in about $90,000.
How fast I
That's
feel
been
then.
consistent every month, 9% conversion?
It depends on where the traffic comes from. So a good deal of that has come from deals that we've run with Living Social and Groupon, where we didn't have
Oh,
to.
that's it. Okay, that just kills the whole conversion percentage.
Yes.
That's just a discount mechanism, and they do all the promoting. It's not your site doing the promoting.
Right, well, that's the point, is that somebody else went out there and spent their money to tell somebody about this and present them with an
This is
offer.
what they do. Groupon, they do it
People,
to everybody.
This is their job. What did you make per bear on a Groupon deal?
We're
It's
only
getting
at about
messy.
20% margin
And
on
you gave
that.
them a discount.
Just the
Like,
consumer.
so what did you present the retail ad?
Getting
What did you sell it
messy.
through the-
That's what I feel attention to. I want to know the
I'm
number.
right next to
That's the
you.
Yes, and then
I'm
you pay an extra
interested.
$20
Okay.
for personalized music and a year of
I can't
unlimited
listen.
recording and download. So the bundle is
Apparently.
How
$60.
much did Groupon and Living Social sell it for their customers?
Their usual half off.
If you just kept that model,
Get the ones that are peeled too.
business because your
Who
margin's
got
only
them?
20%.
Yeah.
Right, but of course I'm not going to keep that model.
You're full.
Yes.
When I was
Right.
doing the attention time,
I'll probably grab like
my
one
dad
more.
sat and played the guitar just every night, right? And he came up with the genius idea of recording his
Actually,
voice
can you
over
want-
songs. We all had a funny reaction
I
to
mean,
it.
it's our own.
We all felt sad.
You want?
Oh, yeah, we do.
My dad wasn't there doing it for us. So it was kind of a big
We're probably going to be doing this more often now.
Yeah.
The shrimp one? Because we have more shrimp.
Yeah.
So I don't
Probably
think
like different flavors or something.
Yeah, so I'll probably do. Have you cooked
Yeah.
Because it's kind of like the, when you compare it to like boiling crab, it's like whole shebang.
Yeah.
What's your distinct advantage?
If
And you
you've been
can
there
send it to
before.
them from anywhere in the world. So not
Yeah.
only you, but the grandparents that don't live nearby can be doing it. You can be updating stuff continually. You can
So the only advantage is I can attach yours to the internet and not the tape it.
Correct, which means you don't have to be there with your voice on.
Mike, I just don't see anything unique here. I don't think that being
He's
able
out.
to record to the cloud is anything significantly differentiated.
I knew it.
Thanks, Mike. Mike, I don't think you being able to update is that big a deal. I'm out.
So, If I invested my money in this, I'd sleep like a baby. I'd wake up every 2 hours, crying, and asking my mommy, where's my money?
Damn.
I'm out.
Damn. He's so straightforward.
So Kevin, yes, Mike. The power of this product is in the emotional proposition. And what's missing in your presentation, I'm not even going to fight you on valuation at this point, because it wouldn't matter if you're asking for 2 million value or 10. You don't know what your customer acquisition cost is going to be in a sustained model. You just don't. But there's no way I would give you 400,000.
I thought on my face,
I'm out.
but I don't know where. Are you gonna eat the peeled ones yet?
Oh, you want me to start eating?
Yeah.
Two.
Lift it up like one big honey pot. I think this thing is foaming at the mouth.
You didn't get a deal.
All of them haven't been getting one.
No.
So I guess it's actually real.
Yeah, it's real. Those are actually live negotiations.
And we live in Boulder, Colorado. Some people think Boulder is just a
People
bunch
have
of
curly
aging,
hair.
long-haired hippie
Interesting.
athletes. They're right, and we are their spokespeople. I'm a competitive sprinter, so when I got back into sprinting after a 30-year break, I was injured constantly, and a friend suggested that taking off my shoes might be a cure, so I
think I remember this guy.
was, and I've been basically
From
barefoot
what?
ever since. This new hobby of mine
Is he
inspired our
running with
business, and
sandals?
we haven't looked back.
Is that their product? Yeah, no.
Our
Watch.
product is kind of deceptive in that it looks really simple, but it's actually part of a revolution.
We want to change the world.
So we're hoping the sharks will really understand what the power of this is.
We have pretty much given up our entire lives for this product for the last 2.5
Did
years.
it?
If we don't get an investment from the sharks, we're going to be exactly where we are right now.
2.5
In over our
years.
heads with a great product that we don't know how to get out into the world, while our inferior competitors just run right past us.
The hands are gonna smell fishy.
Shrimpy.
I mean, yeah, sure.
Seafood's good though.
Yeah. There's more.
Hi, I'm Leah Phoenix, and I am the owner of Zero Shoes.
And I'm Steven Sashin, I'm the CEO.
I knew it.
We're looking for $400,000 in exchange for 8% equity in our company.
40 years after the invention of the heavily padded and very expensive running
Drink up juice.
research is showing how it, without all the bells and whistles, can do a better job. But barefoot is not always
For the other
appropriate.
shrimp.
That's why I developed Zero Shoes, original
You
barefoot
took it.
wear. Zero Shoes are a high-tech version of mankind's
I
favorite
knew
footwear
it.
since
What?
15,000
The
BC.
shoes.
Zero Shoes
Ah,
are
that
the
got on my
only footwear
eye.
that have been shown in independent university studies to be biomechanically identical to barefoot, plus a layer of protection.
Zero Shoes let you express your personality with styles that range from high performance, ultra minimal, to night on the town, fashion forward.
They're also super lightweight, way more comfortable than flip-flops, and unlike some other barefoot shoes,
Oh, shit,
they
you
never
just-
smell.
Now, before you jump out of your chairs and rush the table to get your hands and feet on a pair, Lena will do
So
the
I
best
think
down
it's
and wait
just
and
drink a
deliver
little
some.
juice.
Good.
Did it?
Seriously, you can run in those? Not only can you, I'm a
Everyone's
Masters
very
All-American
small, shrimpy.
sprinter, so I'm one of the fastest 50-year-olds in America. Really? You can run in these? That shoe that you have was designed by a guy who runs 50-mile ultramarathons on a regular basis. We designed our first custom-made Zero Shoe pendant.
I think this
Kevin, I
got
want to
in my
start with you
hair.
just to see what you think of it. Thank you very much. Oh, that's extremely attractive. I thought you might like it. Yes, I do. They've somehow captured the essence of an athlete. Robert, since you have this skeptical tone in your voice, why don't you come up if you want to? Join us so you can actually experience it. Because feeling Zero Shoes is one thing, but wearing them, that's a whole different story. That was, I'm the only runner up here. So what I'm going to do is, on one foot, I'm going to give you a 4mm connect. This is the closest thing there is to barefoot, plus a layer of protection. And on the other foot, I'm going to do our 6mm contact, which is a little smoother ride, a little one a little extra. And are they custom made?
We sell them in two different ways. It either is a do-it-yourself kit that you can trim down to your unique foot shape, or we can custom make them for you.
There's like nothing to it. Yeah, like it doesn't feel like you got anything on. You don't need a lot of support. Putting your feet in support is like putting your feet in a cast and expecting them to get stronger. So when you walk across our fake world, they get to feel the world. Wait, let me light the coals first. Ouch, ouch. The one on your left is the closest to barefoot. The one on your right gives you a little smoother ride. Like getting a little foot massage, yeah? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay, well, Rob, how do you feel? Oh, I gotta tell you, they feel great. No, seriously, I know they look weird, but...
So I don't want to say the obvious, but you basically come over here with some rubber and a string, and you said it's worth $5 million. Why do you feel that?
We started this business 2.5 years ago with just a website, no advertising, and since that time we've sold over $650,000 of our do-it-yourself
2 years ago?
and custom
Not
made.
bad.
2 years.
In
2.5
2.5 years.
The last 2 months, we've done a little over 130,000. So things are going like this. This year we're on track for about $1.2 million.
Under 1.2 million, if you hit it this year in sales, what will your profits be?
We're projecting 200. What we sell the most of is our 4mm
How is it?
do-it-yourself kit, which retails for $24.95. Our cost of materials is $3.11.
I just
What do you sell it for?
my hands.
$12.97.
And what percent is sold through retail or other distribution, and what percent is sold through your website?
Over 90% is sold through our website.
My hands are
We
semi-clean.
just starting in retail. We've got 9 retail locations currently. 6 of them have already reordered.
cool.
So to me, I open it up and it looks like just a plain piece of plastic.
Okay, yeah, that apple.
You're gonna make $200,000 if everything goes right.
Thank you.
You're asking me to pay you 25 times that amount and value your business
How many
at
shrimps can you
25
fit in your
times
mouth?
profit. That's right. But here's the other
Really?
problem. If this category is growing as fast as you say,
Okay, I don't want to do a
it's
lot.
going to attract some very big competitors at some point. And we'll
What,
look down at
like
this and say, piece of rubber, piece of string. But I can do the same thing and put my distribution power behind it and crush these customers.
That was
First of all,
good.
we do have a design patent pending on these, but it's a piece of rubber and a string. Steve, I promise you that I can have these on the boat in about 30
Good.
days. Oh, I would challenge you for that one. You want to challenge me?
What the heck?
Cut a piece of rubber,
Those
put a string
sandals
on
are
it.
so thin.
You said that this is great technology, and then you say the company's worth $5 million, and you've only done...
No, we say the company's worth $5 million because of our industry
Because of what? The industry? I'm out.
It's getting heated.
Steve, were you a shoe guy?
Steve, I knew
Well,
you
let me
tonight.
up one day and say I'm going to
Based
make...
on so.
Hold that thought. The Tarahumara Indians in Mexico, they did their own version of this. I mean, this is, again, a 15,000-year-old idea.
The Tarahumara Indians in Mexico are people who are known for running 50, 60,
Yeah,
70
we should
miles
probably
in
finish-
stretch,
we should probably
wearing
finish this
nothing
up.
but sandals made out of scraps of tire and bits of leather.
Look, it's a huge leap of faith. I believe your whole riddle story and the Indians running around in the desert and all that stuff. But,
Man,
on the other
you got
hand,
this.
it's a crapshoot. I'll make you an offer just for the heck of it. I'll give you the $400,000 for 50%. You're worth about $800,000, that's it.
Okay, thank you. I'm backing on that. So, back
But you need to come back to him on that?
Oh, well, it's not an offer that I would take right off the bat. We value the equity much higher than that.
Well, I know that, but that's why you're in the Shark Tank. You're here for money. I'm a rational investor. You people are probably delusional entrepreneurs, perhaps. And somewhere in the middle is reality.
Okay, first of all, if you give me a headache, I don't know why. My first husband, a little shorter, but similar. And there's 2 things driving me crazy. One is it's a black sole, which is hot. Secondly, it's got a knot on the bottom. I would think it would be uncomfortable, and that's a liability.
Yeah, almost done.
So
Put in the
I'm
video.
not crazy about the product. I have to be honest. I'm out.
Just one more.
I love this stuff. I'm a big runner. I'm getting old. My knees hurt. I've tried everything.
This would be the thing to try.
Steve, I would love to try it. But $400,000, giving the company a $5 million value, man, I can't try for that price. I'm out. You have an offer from somebody that's right. It's true. And I don't have a shoe company in my portfolio. And I think your story, I'm listening to it, it's got a shtick. And it's a really a marketing strategy. You've got rubber and string.
Yeah.
And I'm willing to say it's worth $800,000.
Alright, guys. Finished.
I give you $400,000 to 50%.
It's done.
Clean deal.
50
Wow.
is way beyond what we were
Thanks for watching.
What's
Thanks
your
for
name?
watching. Subscribe,
Like
like,
that.
comment.
Subscribe. Your mind.
One of the other
Bye.
companies
Thanks.
that's also in this space recently got